I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today, I will deliver lecture on probability, lecture number 29, in which I will give the details concept of Bernoulli trials in probability theory. Let we toss a coin, then outcomes will be head or tail. If we wish to get head, that is, if we get head, then we assume that we get success. Therefore, success outcome is here head, and if tail appears, then we say that it is failure. So we get outcomes as in terms of success and failure if the outcomes be according to our wish. Probability of getting success, that is appearance of head, is 1 by 2. If we toss the coin again, then outcomes will be head or tail. Probability of getting success is half and probability of getting failure is half. If we toss this coin to a finite number of times, then we get some success and some failure. If we toss the coin in the first time, we may get success or failure if we get success in the first time. And in the second time, if we toss the coin, then we cannot predict that success will come or failure will come. So the result of the first toss and result of the second toss have no relation. Therefore, two experiments are independent. These are random experiments. These random experiments are called trials. Now we use the term trial in place of random experiment. We see that for each trial, the probability of getting success be same, that is half. Now we conclude that here number of random experiment be finite numbers. Secondly, the trials are independent experiment. Thirdly, the trials have exactly two outcomes, success or failures. And fourthly, the probability of getting success in each trial be same. This concept may be termed as Bernoulli trials. So trials of a random experiment are called Bernoulli trials if they satisfy the following conditions. Number 1, there should be a finite number of trials. Number 2, the trials should be independent. Number 3, each trial has exactly two outcomes, success or failure. Number 4, probability of success remains the same in each trial. Similarly, if we throw a die, let the getting even number is the success and getting odd number is failure. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6 and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. Number of even numbers be here 3 and number of odd numbers be 3. Therefore, probability of getting even number is half and probability of getting odd number be half. That is, if for getting even number is treated as success, then probability of getting success in a trial will be half. And if we throw the die again, the probability of getting success be half. And each trial we will get probability of getting success is half. So the probability of success remains the same in each trial. Now if we throw the die to a finite number of times, that is number of trials be finite. Here number 1, there should be a finite number of trials. And trials are independent because there is no relation of getting the result of one trial with other trial. And number 3, here getting even number is success and getting odd number be failure. So here we get two types of outcomes, success and failure. So this random experiment is also Bernoulli trial. Now we will give an example. With the help of this example, we will be clear that which trials are Bernoulli trials and which trials are not Bernoulli trials. Now example is 6 balls are drawn successively from an urn containing 7 red and 9 black balls. Tell whether or not the trials of drawing balls are Bernoulli trials when after each draw the ball is drawn is number 1 replaced, number 2 not replaced. Now we solve this. Solution. Since total number of balls be 7 plus 9, 16. Number of red balls equal to 7. Number of black balls equal to 9. Let the drawing of a red ball is assumed to be success. That is, if we get a red ball in the draw, we assume that it is success. Means getting red ball is success. Now we solve number 1. Let we draw a ball. Then getting red ball is success. Since getting red ball is success, therefore in the first trial probability for success will be number of red ball be 7, total ball be 16. Therefore probability will be 7 by 16. In the first time we draw a red ball and then this red ball will be replaced back to the urn. Then we will get that in the urn number of red balls will be again 7. Since when we take a red ball from the urn, one red ball, then in the urn remaining number of red balls will be 6. When we replace back this one red ball to the urn, then urn will contain again 7 number of red balls. Therefore total ball will be again 7 plus 9, 16. Therefore in the second trial, during the period of second trial, we get 7 red ball in the urn and 9 black balls in the urn. Therefore probability for success, that is for getting a red ball, will be 7 by 16. Similarly, in any trial, the probability of getting success will be 7 by 16. Here given that number of trials be 6. So number of trials be finite. Second, when we draw a red ball in the first time, then we draw in the second time, these two experiments are independent experiments because there is no relation of getting result of first trial and second trial or any trial. So trials are independent experiment. Number 3, if we get a red ball, then it is called success, and if we get black ball, that is failure. So we get two types of outcomes, success and failure. Next, the probability of success be 7 by 16 in each trial, same, constant. So 4 conditions for Bernoulli trials are fulfilled. Therefore, these trials are Bernoulli's trial. Now we solve the second, not replaced. Since in the first time number of red ball be 7, number of black balls be 9, total number of balls be 16. If getting a red ball is success, then probability for success in the first trial will be 7 by 16. Now let we get success in the first trial, that is we get a red ball. If a red ball is taken in the first trial and it is not replaced back to the urn, therefore remaining number of red ball will be 6. So total ball will be 6 red balls and 9 black balls. Means total number of balls will be 15. Now, in the urn, number of red balls be 6. Total number of balls will be 15. So in the second trial, the probability for getting success will be 6 by 15. Here we see that in the first trial, probability for getting success is 7 by 16. In the second trial, probability for getting success is 6 by 15. So, probability for getting success in the first trial is not equal to probability for getting success in the second trial. Therefore, trials are not Bernoulli's trial. Perhaps you are clear that which trials are Bernoulli trials and which trials are not Bernoulli trials. For Bernoulli trial, we have to fulfill 4 conditions. Number 1, number of trials will be finite. Number 2, trials are independent experiment. Number 3, we get 2 types of outcomes, success and failure. Number 4, probability of getting success in each trial be same, that is constant. If any random experiment fulfills these 4 conditions, then that random experiment, that is trials, will be Bernoulli trials. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.